Hello respected teachers and dear students, you come across several subjects during your course of studies. If any area of subject evokes wide emotional comment, it is mathematics. So, here we shall talk about only the subject mathematics. You might be aware that there is no definite definition of mathematics. Someone says that mathematics links the abstract world of mental concepts to the real world of physical things without being located completely in either. And also it is stated that mathematics, most simply defined, is the study of, that is, the quantities and relations through the use of numbers and symbols. Also it is stated that mathematics is the study of order and patterns. Thus, we can say that the fascinating world of mathematics provides an unlimited scope to mathematicians to perceive problems pertaining to three situations visualized in the forms of concrete, abstraction and intuition. Now, what is the meaning of concrete, abstractness and intuitive concepts in mathematics? The objects which are visible and having well known geometrical figures can be dealt very easily. For example, take a right circular cylinder. This is a right circular cylinder which is object in 3 dimension. So, how to convert this physical situation into mathematics? This is our main target. So, take a object which is a cylinder having 3 parts, the upper part, the lower part and this is the curved part. How to convert this curved part is a very difficult problem. And now open it, this curved part, and you will see that this curved part is in the form of the rectangular shape. And if it is a rectangular shape, then the question arises, what is the total surface area of this concrete object? The total surface area containing the 3 parts, one is this circular, the bottom is also the circular. The area of these 2 circular part is pi r square, where r is nothing but the radius of the cylinder. But how to calculate the area of this curved part? This curved part has been converted into a rectangle. The area of this rectangle is length into breadth. You have opened this cylinder, along this height like this. So, the circumference which you can write it as 2 pi r, and the breadth is nothing but the height of the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder. So, we can say what is the total surface area of this cylinder, that is the area of this circular part, the area of this circular part and the area of this curved part. Area of this circular part is pi r square, area of this circular part is pi r square and the area of this rectangular part, which is the curved one, which is 2 pi r h. So, what is the total surface area? You can write it as the total surface area as pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h, where h is the height of this cylinder. So, this is your object and this is the height of the cylinder, h we are taking, and by mathematical manipulation you can write it as 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and this is nothing but 2 pi r h plus r in some suitable units. This is the total surface area. Now, take another example, how to take the multiplication of the 2 fractions, like half into half. This is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 4, and 1 by 158 into 3 upon 1059, this is equal to 3 upon 167,322. But how this half into half is 1 by 4? How this half into 3 by 2 is 3 by 4? How 1 upon 158 into 3 upon 1059 is 3 upon 1,67,322. You multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, you will get 1 by 4, you will get 3 by 4, and you will get 3 upon 1,67,322 respectively. So, this idea by getting 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 upon 1,67,322 is an intuitive concept, because at this stage we do not give any logic or reasoning that how this 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 1,67,322 comes up. So, this is an intuitive concept, and the numbers which are using like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on and so forth, this is an abstract concept in mathematics. And the idea at the higher secondary stage also, the set of the concept of the set is also an intuitive concept. So, however, due to abstraction and intuition, which I have already dealt, that there are three situations in mathematics, namely the concrete, abstraction and intuition. So, in mathematics, due to abstraction and intuition, some of the mathematical concepts become more complicated sometimes for teachers also who are actively engaged in mathematics teaching at different stages of schooling. This needs the exhaustive training in pedagogy as well as in contents through various modes. This also needs the clarifications of mathematical concepts using teaching aids, experimentation, observations, etc., to concretize the abstract and intuitive concept at various stages of schooling. For this, various activities have been already designed in Laboratory Manual of Mathematics at elementary and secondary stages published by NCERT. However, these activities can be better explained through audiovisual mode. To facilitate the teaching learning of mathematics, we have designed some of the activities through audiovisual mode at elementary and secondary stages for horizontal and vertical growth of mathematics. This is the first series of this program. Before demonstrating the activities, let us see some objectives of teaching mathematics. The objectives of teaching mathematics is to make the child feel that mathematics is a growing, dynamic, exciting and intellectual enterprise, to make the child aware of the pattern and structure of mathematics, to make the child aware of both the powers and limitations of mathematics, to make the child feel that mathematics is indispensable to human civilization, to make the child aware of the recent applications of mathematics, and to make the teaching of mathematics consistent with the nature of mathematics. As you know that the nature of any discipline is has a significant impact on its pedagogy. In the light of the above, you may also design many more activities at your own.